I'm so excited to teach you how to make dice, but before I do, a warning. Before you can make something beautiful, before the demolding, before the pour, before the inclusions, before mixing the resin and the colours, you must wear the right personal protective equipment, or PPE. Otherwise, something like this will happen to you. If you don't like weird skin things, scroll away now. Otherwise, here we go. This is contact dermatitis. This isn't as bad as it got for me, but because I didn't protect myself properly when first using resin, I'm now sensitive to it. And if I touch even a little bit of it, this happens. It flares up over both of my arms, from my shoulders down to the back of my hands. It's hot and itchy and scabs over and feels horrendous. Resin is something you develop an intolerance to, and you never know what your threshold is. One day you may be fine, and the next you're having difficulty breathing. It's a cumulative effect. So if you truly want to make dice, start out the right way from the very beginning. So now we've covered the safety basics. Tomorrow, it's time to get into the good stuff.